his hand linger there in an inappropriate manner.
Throughout the night, I would say it happened like 4 to 5 times.
Tonight, shocking allegations against a San Diego police officer. A new woman comes forward claiming she was sexually battered during a traffic stop in the Gaslamp Quarter. Good evening. The woman says she was touched in a sexually inappropriate manner several times during a stop for an alleged DUI.
News 8's Richard Allen is following this story. He's live downtown with her story and what she says he said to her on the way to jail. Richard?
Well, Craig and Marcella, this latest woman to step forward is facing a misdemeanor DUI charge of driving with a blood alcohol level of twice the legal limit. She was arrested in the Gaslamp by Officer Anthony Arevalos. Now, she is the 4th woman in a growing list of women to come forward and accuse the veteran officer of sexual misconduct under color of authority, and police here say there may be even more.
At first, I just thought it was awkward.
This 25-year-old woman claims she also endured unwanted sexual advances under the color of authority by San Diego police officer Anthony Arevalos.
As it continued, it got progressively worse and more, I guess, affectionate and more intimate.
She says the 40-year-old officer arrested her for suspected DUI in the Gaslamp on February 20th, handcuffed her, and then began to repeatedly caress her shoulders when her dress straps fell.
My straps kept falling down because my hands were behind my back, and he just, voluntarily just brushed them back over my shoulder. It was uncomfortable. I mean, the whole situation was extremely uncomfortable.
This officer was using the spaghetti strap as a justification to commit a sexual battery.
Defense attorney Marc Kohnen is representing the woman, who News 8 agreed not to identify.
I think he's a predator.
The woman says this predatory behavior continued as she was in the back of Arevalos' patrol car on her way to jail.
On the way there, he kept making advances towards her.
It's sad that we had to meet this way. Like, we should, I wish we would have met over coffee. That probably would have been a better situation.
She is the 4th alleged victim to come forward. On February 20th of last year, Arevalos was accused of sexual penetration under color of authority. Charges weren't filed, although the case is under review. On December 29th, a 20-year-old woman Arevalos pulled over for DUI claims he solicited sex from her. And on March 8th, a 32-year-old woman claimed Arevalos sexually battered her during a DUI stop in the Gaslamp. And there may be even more victims.
Additional women have come forward and provided some details with regard to their interaction with Officer Arevalos in similar situations.
And police say Arevalos could be facing even more charges as their investigation continues. He's currently suspended without pay and is set to be arraigned on the March 8th incident on Monday. Now, we reached out to him for comment on these recent allegations yesterday, but he declined to comment. Marcella?
All right, Richard, thanks. According to a bankruptcy filing from last year, Arevalos is married with 2 children.